I'm Dr. Divya. Today is pest management measures. So, first of all, we can identify these questions for pest management. So, is the pest really causing the problem? So, first step, always identify the pest before taking any action. Become familiar with its life cycle and habits. Use the information to design a pest management plan. Misidentification results in lack of knowledge that creates ineffective control of the real pest. So four major pest categories. First one is weeds. Weeds means like undesirable plants. Second category is invertebrates such as insects, spider and mites, showbugs, pillbugs, snails, slugs, and mussels. Third category is vertebrate such as birds, snakes, fish, rodents, and other mammals. Fourth category is plant diseases pathogens, living agents like fungi, bacteria, virus, nematodes, phytoplasma. Non-living agents like cold, heat, pollutants, dog urine. Natural controls. So first is wind, temperature, humidity, rain, rivers, lakes, mountains, pathogen, predators, food supply of the pest. Human applied control. First is biologically control, mechanical control, cultural practices, physical control, genetic control, chemical control, and regulatory. So, what is a biological control? Usually, pests are not native to area. Locate pest native homeland and find natural enemies. Before releasing natural enemy, evaluate if suitable. Rear, release, and redistribute. Biologically control results. So release natural enemies may become established and reduce infestance level. May not require any additional releases. Using biological control, so periodic mass release from cultural, natural area, greenhouse or orchards, like recognize natural occurring organism. Third one is manage to conserve native beneficial and avoid broad spectrum insecticides. So use non-chemical strategy for biological control and applied control in mechanical way, use of devices, machine and other physical methods to reduce pest populations to the alter the environment. For mechanical mechanical control, cultivation is required. So disturbed soil conditions for weeds and insects like hoe and plows and discs. So control growth or destroy plant like mowers. In mechanical control, exclusion is also required. Preventive paste from the entering or traveling, like net, screens, hair curtains, chalking, steel, wool, and metal-free collars. Sticky materials, sharp object is required for exclusion of this type of a thing is required for mechanical control. And trapping, use of a mechanical or sticky devices capture pest in a holding devices. So first restrain the pest and kills the pest. So applied control for cultural practices. So alter conditions or pest behavior. First mowing for tolerant crop varieties, irrigations, planting timing, aeration, fertilization, mulching, crop rotation. So sanitation, so eliminate food, water and shelter. So destroy infected crop residue or infected ornamental plant materials. Weed to reduce pest harbors. Manage manure, seal garbage cans and removal soil near siding. Applied physical control, so alter physical environment, humidity, temperature, air movement, water and light. So refresh bird bath water weekly to manage for the mosquitoes. Applied control, genetics of host resistance, so add or modify genetic material in crops and ornamental plants. Breed or selective plants for resistance. Pesticides, so any material that is applied to kill, attract, repel, regulate pests. So disinfectant, fungicides, herbicides, insecticides, repellent, defoliant, and pesticides. So these type of advantage are these are the practices is effective, fast, and easy process. So pesticides, so mode of actions, how they work to control the pest, and systematic pesticides are absorbed through tissues and transported elsewhere where the pest encounters it through feeding, used on plant or livestock. Contact pesticide must come in direct contact with the target pest. Selectivity. So what range of a pest they affect? Non-selective, like kills all related pests. For example, some herbicides kill all green plants that gets a sufficient dose. And selective kills only certain weeds, insects and plant pathogen. For example, other herbicides only kill broadleaf weeds, not grasses. Persistence, how long they remain active in the environment. Residual pesticides, so remain active for weeks, month, year. For example, herbicides used around road guardrails, non-residual, inactivated immediately or within a few days. For example, some herbicides do not remain active in the soil once applied. For regulatory pest control, quarantine prevents pests from entry to an area, a movement from infested areas. So first of all, monitoring is required. So monitor airports and ocean airports, borders, industry stocks and other plant material. These type of eradication program eliminate a pest from a defined areas. Mosquito abatement used for public health. So this type of a pest control is required.